How long have you lived here?
I've lived in Jasper for 2 years now, off and on, but this is my first time staying permanently.
And where are you originally from?
I'm from Whitecourt. I'm just near Edmonton.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, just a few hours away.
And what are your favorite restaurants in town?
If you're wanting a pub style, Dead Dog.
We went there last night. It was really good.
Yeah, it's really good there. Montana's is really good, and if you like Korean food, kimchi is really good as well.
Okay, good to know.
How's the brewery?
Oh, the Jasper Brew Pub's really good as
After,
well.
Okay,
after
perfect.
35, 8 or 6,
Okay,
8 years
good
out.
to know.
It's a
Yeah, they make
surprise.
their own beer there too, and it's really good.
Wow.
Yeah,
Well, that sounds good.
yeah, no, it's really good.
Shane, that train, look at that.
The longest train I've seen in Jasper was about 4 kilometers long, and it sat there for about 5 hours.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah.
4 kilometers long?
That is really long.
Looks like it's starting to move, I think.
This one is long, but it's not 4 kilometers.
It is starting to move, Shane. Wow. How lucky are you?
Oh, yeah, with the trees. Yeah. No,
The top of the trees, though, Eric, when you're going down the tram and you look at the very top of the trees,
Yeah.
it's a really cool look.
About 5 in the morning.
It is a cool
look.
Right near it.
I forgot him to tell him.
I did that this morning too.
You should get a view of the top of the trees.
Yeah, like,
He
I'm
is.
ready for work now. It was crazy. No, I get it like every morning, every few days.
Do you have your shirt?
Must do.
Yeah.
Just get woken up at 5 a.m.
Yeah. Oh, it's unreal. Or like
Must
the
have
worst
stuck
thing is the
right.
elks in
11.
Jasper. It's like
Must
you're
have-
like
yeah,
on the
11.
road and you won't be able to drive past them. Like,
Oh,
just stand
yeah.
there and
You
like,
want to?
Good for bears.
like I've had to sit in an alley for like 10 minutes waiting for an top of your hundred. Yeah, that's laying on the road, like driving down the hill.
Were people in there? Oh, that was the private party right in the wedding.
Yeah. It was a really nice, that would be,
Nice restaurant.
well, I don't know if but the restaurant. Look, Shane, there's another train coming right there. That's got to be the passenger train.
I don't see it.
Couldn't
Oh,
see
never
it?
mind.
Is that the Rocky Mountain Express or whatever it's called?
That one's that's either the Rocky Mountain or the Via Canadian. It's one of the two, yeah. Yeah, the trains are awesome because like the Via Canadian will take you all the way to Vancouver, and you can just hop onto the ferry and go to Vancouver Island.
Yeah, that's awesome. Wow.
Yeah. Like it's unreal. If you guys take a look outside, you'll notice all these dead trees in the valley everywhere.
Yeah.
All of them trees are the lodgepole pine, and the beetle actually infected them about 2016, and they died in about 2019. And what the pine beetle does, it harvests inside of the tree, and then the fungus from the beetle, it kills the whole tree, and it takes about 2-3 years, and it has to be minus 40 for up to 3 days. And luckily, we had a bunch of cold snaps since then, so the beetle's been dead since about 2020, they've been saying.
Good.
Oh.
Wow, they would have killed a lot more.
So, but they only go after the lodgepoles, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, they turn into a big bright red color, so you could imagine how colorful the valley was in about 2018. Because it was just all bright red.
Wow. Wow.
So it had to be 40 below?
Yeah, 40
To kill
below.
the beetle.
It was. I got frostbite in like 10-15 minutes when I was working up at Marna Basin there. It was minus 47 with the wind chill.
Oh.
Yeah, and I rode up the chairlift. I had to work the top station at the hill, so I had to ride up one chairlift, ride down to another chairlift, and ride up another one, and my face was black by the time.
Wow.
Yeah, like I got really bad frostbite. I had to ride down the hill to warm up too, so that didn't help.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it was something. That was for sure.
Wow.
Oh, I wish.
Not enough, right?
Not enough.
Wow. There's the one train going.
What passenger train is it again?
It's either
The Rocky Mountain the Rocky
Either
Mountain
that
Express
or
Or
the
Via Canadian.
Via
I think
Canadian.
that one's the Rocky Mountain though, because it's that one's a different color.
Okay.
And the VIA is what color?
Yeah, Canadian.
That one's more of a silver and yellow.
Okay, and this one isn't.
No.
And that's the one that goes to Banff,
Yeah.
but it doesn't go through the ice field.
I don't know if it goes through there.
I didn't see any
I
train
don't
tracks.
think so. Yeah.
I didn't see any train tracks through that.
762.
Wow, that's so beautiful.
We're just gonna have to slow down, guys, as we're docking, and we'll just take it in a couple extra minutes.
Okay.
1076 degree. Both cars normal stop.
We'd have to move to the back of the car if you were going in at full speed.
Pardon?
We'd have to move to the back of the car if you were coming in at full speed.
Oh, no one's even here to get tickets right now.
No, just having to stop for the 1010s.
Oh.
Car 1, try and creep her in there, you get some shade from the building.
10-4, recommencing flight downhill.
The wind is bringing us back up here. I'm gonna crash back and forth into this pole here.
That whole time I thought I was doing that type of
Definitely say this is the most stressful part of the job.
type of
Oh yeah, that's the boss's
you
building right
know
there.
speed up video that you don't like, and it wasn't working.
Yeah, no, we can't.
The whole time it wasn't working.
Look at this coming in thing is
No, you usually always bump into the building even when it's not windy, but
the trees
not
are
very
blowing
hard.
like crazy.
I can see the Rocky Mountain
Here.
Express. It's coming up behind that that stacked manifest
Not
bar.
stock train.
Here you
Oh
want.
my gosh, you're funny.
We're just gonna feel a little wee bump here, guys. Nothing too bad though.